Hello friends, welcome to my finance class. Today I'll tell you about one and two way data tables. A data table is a range of cells that shows how changing certain inputs in your model affect the outcome. And the data table also provides a tool for recalculating multiple options in one question while showing them together on your worksheet. A data table is also referred to by analysts and decision makers as a sensitivity analysis table. So, sensitivity analysis is a way to investigate the impact of changes in the input of decision making models. Now, I'll show you with the help of the car loan example. Now, using this example, you will explore the impact on the results of changing some of the inputs in the model. The inputs given here are the price, the number of years of the loan, the interest rate, and so on. So the results that I'll get in the output in this example, it would be the payment, the total payments, and the total interest. First, I'll find out this payment, total payment, and total interest. First, I'll calculate the loan, how much loan I'll get. So it will be find out by taking price minus down payment. So this much of loan I'll get from the bank. Now I want to find out the payment that I'll pay monthly to the bank. So the formula I use here is equal PMT. Now what is the rate? Rate is 7% divided by 12 comma then years into 12 comma minus loan. This is my formula for calculating payment that I'll pay every month as the installment. So this is my payment. Now I'll calculate the total payments. Total payments will be find out by entering the formula payment, that is this one, into 12 into years. They are the total payments that I have to pay. Now I want to find out the total interest to be paid, which is find out by entering the formula total payments minus loan. So this is the total interest that I have to pay. Now moving to the table. First I must set up the table here. As you see, I have named it as rate as the first column, then payment, total payments, and total interest. In this example, the range of rates is placed down here. So leaving one cell blank, I'll start with 3%, 4%, 5%, 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose I have entered these ranges of rate. Now I'm going to investigate the impact of changes in the rate on the three output items, that is payment, total payments, and total interest. So starting with cell F2, this one, I'll type equal and I'll select payment, that is B7 cell. Similarly, I'll type for total payment and I'll click on B8. Then I'll type again equal and click on total interest. So I have got these values. Now the data table can be filled with the sensitivity analysis results. The first step is to select the area of the table where the results should be appear. So it will start it from here to here. Then the second step is to activate the data table menu. Now under this data ribbon, on the drop down menu of what if analysis, you select data table. Now this drop box has come. You have to leave this row input cell blank. We have to consider the column input only. So which column input we are looking for? We are searching for rates. We type B5 and click OK. Now you see that the different outputs on the basis of these desired interest rates. Suppose for 3% you have got these values, for 4% you have got these values, then 5%, 6%, and so on. So if I click here, you see the results that at 7% payment was 495 and total payments 29701 and total interest 4701. So we can find out that which interest rates suits us best. Now what if I want to find out with the help of years? What will be the different outputs if we'll apply one way table in terms of years? So again, I'll type payment, that is this one. Then I'll type total payments, that is your B8. Then total interest, that is your B9. Then I'll write here different years. That is, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these are my different years and I apply now data table. So I'll first select the cells, that is from E14 to H19. I'll go to data. I'll select drop down what if analysis. I'll select data table. Now again, I'll leave row input cell blank because we are not finding anything in row. We will select column input cell. Column input cell is years now. So just click OK and you get the values. So if I select 5 years, you see, I get the same value as I have calculated here. That is 495.03, 29701.80 and 4701.80. So this is your one-way table. In these data tables, you see that how you can vary one of the input in the column, that is either the interest rate or the number of years or maybe the price also. Okay, and we have viewed in the table the impact of these input changes on the outcome. So this is the sensitivity analysis or the what if analysis. Then it is also possible that we can use two inputs together and view their impact on one output. So this is called as two-way sensitivity table. So I'll take now two inputs together. First one is your, suppose I placed year here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And I'll put the rates here. Rates are, suppose 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10%. Now you see here I have taken years on the row side and rates on the column side. Now in this cell I'll type the payment, that is 495. Now I'll apply the two-way table here. I'll first select the cells, then I'll go to what if analysis, select the data table. In row input cell I'll input years. In column input cell I'll put rate. Okay, now you see the effect. I can get like for 1 year at 5%, this is my payment that I have to pay and so on. So here you see the resulting output. For 7% at 5 years, you see the answer. It is all same as we did here for 5 years, as we did here for 7%. So this way our two-way table work. So this is a good way to verify that the table was correctly set up and the parameters were accurately filled. So that's all about data tables. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.